Here I have the bed rail from King Pavini. I'm going to go over a couple things you should know before you buy it, and then also answer some frequently asked questions I was seeing, so hopefully I can help you out with your purchase. So first, let's go to the questions. I saw, can the handle be flipped around? Does this work on an adjustable bed frame? And then will it work if you have uneven floor underneath your bed? So let's start with the first question. Can the handle be flipped around? So yes, there are two pins here. You can take the handle out and flip it around, so this part can be at the front of your bed or the end of your bed, however you want it. It can be done in just seconds. It's really easy. And now for the second question, does it work on an adjustable bed frame? So the base that goes underneath the bed doesn't like move up and down, isn't flexible. So, I mean, it would work on an adjustable bed. You just got to make sure you have it on the part of the bed that's flat. So, if this part of your bed is raised, but this part is still flat towards your feet, it would work and it would still stay in there and be okay. And now for the final question was, does it work on uneven floor? So yes, it does work on an uneven floor. There's a bunch of different heights that you can choose down here. And then towards the way bottom at the foot, you can actually move those up and down to like the very inch. So you can have this side a little bit higher, that side a little bit higher. So they make it really adjustable. So it'll work on whatever type of floor you have, whether it's flat or uneven. But overall, a couple things you should know. This was really easy to put together. It took me less than 5 minutes. There's basically no tools. You just pop the pins into place. There's at one point you do need to have an Allen, or they give you the Allen wrench. We got to use an Allen wrench to get just 2 bolts in. So it's really easy to do. There's basically no assembly process to it. But overall, this is super sturdy. It comes with a nice little, type of bag you could put on there to keep your TV remote in there, glasses, and that just slides over it. I don't have it on there right now. And it also has a strap too. You don't need a strap. It's super sturdy, but if you are worried about it sliding out from underneath your bed or anything like that, it does have a strap on there that you can strap it to your bed frame so it won't move at all. But you honestly don't even really need to use this. It's really sturdy. But if you're having issues getting out of your bed, or loved ones having issues getting in and out of their bed, I think this is an awesome and very easy way to help them out and make them exiting and entering their bed just way more convenient for them.